In this review, underpress lighting has come popular for both practical and aesthetic purposes. These slim, focused light institutions give task lighting over counters, cesspools, and fixed areas. At the same time, the soft gleam from underpress lighting is a great way to illuminate the space without the harsh gleam of an important outflow light. In the history, underpress lighting frequently used fluorescent light institutions, but advancements in LED technology have propelled these lights into fashionability. LED light bulbs are slow to burn out, don't induce redundant heat, and are energy effective. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for further updates. Reviewfindly present top 5 best under cabinet lighting. Let's get started. Number 5. Brilliant Evolution Wireless Ultra. This straightforward emulation from Brilliant Elaboration provides the convenience of a wireless light with the bright task lighting necessary for easy mess fix. It's a small but potent light at 2 elevation wide, 8.5 elevation long, and lower than 1 inch in depth, which opens up a world of placement options under kitchen closets. It requires strong tenacious strips, but formerly in place, it'll stay put. Install it with screws for added security. The 65 lumens come to life with a simple valve of the frosted screen, for LED lights cheer up the space with a warm/bright light. It's a bit too harsh for ambient lighting, but ideal for lighting up small spaces, similar as a countertop niche. It runs on 3 AA batteries and can perform just as well on alkalines as on rechargeables. Either way, anticipate up to 100 hours of runtime. Number 4. BLST01L LED Closet Light. Still, or that provides simple accentuation lighting to your dishware or appliances, this wireless option is the way to go if you want underpress lighting that activates when you enter your dark kitchen. The moderate 1.5 volt system produces only 180 lumens of brilliance, and the light is harsher than the others we tested, good for task lighting, but not so good for atmosphere. You won't run into installation issues, or have to look at messy cords with the BLS Super Bright under cabinet lighting. It installs in seconds with backing glue or mounting screws and operates with 3 AA batteries. However, you can use the 37-inch USB cord to power the LED bar light. There's also a hardwire option, if you run out of addictive batteries. Note that the USB wall appendage isn't included with the light tackle. Number 3. Litever Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This lighting system produces 2000 lumens of brilliance, further than enough for kitchen tasks, and the light is diffused through a cover so that the brilliance is invariant across your countertop. The light is a warm white, flattering to anything it illuminates. The underpress bar lights can be installed with backing glue or fixed with screws. An LED system that's completely dimmable from 0 to 100%. It also has an on/off switch for optimal control. Our testing plant that the dimmer switch offers inflexibility in static lighting versus dimmable lighting depending upon the placement of the switch. Placing the switch next to the on/off switch allows for dimmable control of all connected light bars, while placing it in between light bars along the run results in static light from those near the switch and dimmable for those connected after the dimmer. This can be relatively helpful in creating targeted lighting for tasks as well as dimmable lighting for atmosphere. Number 2. Hardwired LED Under Cabinet. Hardwiring underpress lighting may be complicated, but the results free of cords plugging into outlets advance a clean, neat look that's desirable in a kitchen. This 120V line voltage underpress LED bar light system is ideal for those choosing the ingrained route, as its slim design in 5 different lengths, 12-inch, 18-inch, 21-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch, blends right into being scenery. It provides what druggies need for kitchen underpress lighting and nothing more. The simplistic, minimalist design could appeal to those who prefer satiny lines. The light affords an invariant look, thanks to a light-free frosted cover that diffuses the 1250 lumens of brilliance. The bar light has an on/off switch and is compatible with dimmers, but a dimmer switch isn't included. Number 1. Litever Low LED Under Cabinet. An affordable option for ornamental under-press lighting, the Litever Low LED Under Cabinet Puck Light Kit includes 6 ELF lights, each with an 8-bottom cord that connects to a terminal box. This means the lights don't have to be installed in a series, allowing for optimal customization. In addition, the terminal box works just fine when using only many of the lights handed in the tackle. Not all of them are needed to complete a circuit. The 12-volt low-voltage ELF lights mount fluently with backing glue or screws and plug into a wall outlet through the terminal box. We plant the ELF lights to be veritably featherlight and therefore easy to attach with glue. The LED under-press lighting features a touch darkening system that lets druggies set the brilliance to 5 different situations: 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. The 500 lumen affair of each ELF is too low for task lighting when installed independently, but if 2 or further are grouped together, they produce enough lumens for food-fix tasks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.